What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. You can see the box, you saw the title. This is it. You see, this is the Stratus by SteelSeries wireless gaming controller for iPad running iPadOs. This thing is small. Let's check it out. So as I mentioned, this is the Stratus. This is the Stratus wireless gaming controller, and it is by SteelSeries. It works for your iPods, your iPhones, your iPads. Now, with that being said, let's do a little bit of real estate on this. Let's talk about this a little bit first, because this is a very, very, very interesting little controller. So it has 10 plus hours of wireless gameplay. It uses USB charging, micro USB, not USB Type-C. It actually comes with a cover, which I have the cover on there right now. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. It has pressure sensitive buttons for more precise control, and Bluetooth, and you name it, it does it. Has an extra grip on the back. It's a nice little controller. All it comes with is the charging cable and the instruction manual. So I've already unboxed this, and I've tried this out, and I'm really impressed. Now, nice hard shell on the front of that, so your buttons don't get messed up. And then you can actually clip it on the back, and you get an extra little bit of protection back here, and it gives you a little extra grip when you're holding it. Now, my hand is pretty decent size. This fits right inside my hand. So when you're playing, your fingers may be a little close together, but the good thing about the size and the form factor on this is you can put this right down in your pocket and take it wherever you go. Just close it up, put it in your pocket. Your buttons don't get mashed up. No issues there. But what we really want to know is this controller game worthy? I always use Asphalt 9 when I'm working with these types of gaming controllers. I like Asphalt 9, but we want to make sure that this is, number one, set up. Now, this is one of the few controllers that you can actually just go in here and set up directly from here. Now, let me show you. Since I already have it connected, I'm gonna forget this device. Okay, it's gone. Bluetooth is still on. This is your on off over here. I'm gonna turn it on, and this is your Bluetooth back here. So I'm gonna hold this Bluetooth button down. I don't want to connect to that. I'm gonna hold this Bluetooth down, and you got some LED lights up front, and they're gonna blink. So they're blinking. Do you want to pair? Yes, I do. And here we go. It's all paired, all connected. So this is one of the few controllers that you don't need to go into your switches to actually pair it with your device. With that being done, I am going to now open up Rayman Adventures. Since normally I work with Asphalt, but we'll work with this. Now, it's going to tell you that you're using this controller. So we're using this controller. Right away, you see, we're going back and forth. We're going to pick the adventure. We're going to take our time and just let this load up. And we are going to just pick a stage. I'm guessing this is a stage. I haven't played this in a while. Okay, here we go. So we got our jump and our attack and our move and all that good stuff. Okay, we're going to choose this. Okay, so let's just have a little fun. Okay, so we're just gonna have a little fun with this. Back and forth, going back and forth, jumping, very precise controls. Everything feels really good. Nice and accurate. There's no lag. It's doing everything I wanted to do. Okay, all the buttons are working really nice, really well. I'm impressed. Such a small controller. I mean, this thing literally can fit right in your pocket and do whatever you need it to do when you need to do it. I am extremely impressed with this controller. For the size, for the price, this controller is going to run you about 29 bucks. But for the size and for the price, for the portability, that form factor, I think it's a really, really good buy. It's not going to hurt your pockets. It's going to do exactly the same thing the rest of those controllers will do, and it's really accurate. So I finished that whole stage, no issues. Really nice on the gameplay. This is the Stratus controller by SteelSeries. You got pressure control buttons, you got D-pads, you got analog, you got R2, R1, L2, you got Bluetooth, you got knobs on the back, you got a protective cover. What more could you ask for? And it's the size of your hand. It'll fit out in your pocket. So it's a good thing to have, especially if you're on the go, taking those long trips, long flights, or even if you want to sneak a game in while you're in the middle of class. No, don't do that. Don't play games while you're in class. Don't say the average tech guy told you to play games while you're in class. But this is a great controller. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Like I said, the link will be left below. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.